In this video, I'll detail how to fix Siri not talking on iPhone. So if you say, "Hey Siri," you see that? So Siri is talking on my iPhone, but if your home case, you say, "Hey Siri," but Siri is not talking, then here, I'm going to show you how to fix this. So if at the end of this, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to fix Siri is not talking on iPhone, all you just need to do is go to your iPhone settings. On the settings page, scroll down, click on Siri and search, or click on Siri. If you are using iOS 17 or earlier, you want to click on Siri and search. On iOS 18, come here and click on Siri. Once you tap Siri, scroll down and locate Siri responses, click on that. Under here, there are a few options available here that you can play with. These include prefer silent responses, automatic, or prefer spoken responses. If Siri is set to prefer silent responses, you see, Siri will respond silently except when you appear to be driving or using headphone with the screen off. Now, if you go ahead and say, "Hey Siri," Siri may prefer to be silent if you put on headset or Siri sense that you are driving. But to make Siri talk whenever you say, "Hey Siri," just come here and click on prefer spoken responses. Then Siri will speak response including when silent mode is on. Then you can just go back and that is it. So when I say, "Hey Siri," is that? So Siri is talking. Now, if you ask any question from Siri, it's going to respond verbally. So instead of remaining silent while responding to your query, then Siri is going to respond actively because you've set to spoken responses. So that's how you can easily fix Siri not talking on iPhone. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.